Hello, highlighters! It's Leo here and welcome back for another highlight. This time, we're going to unbox the new McDonald's Zodiac collectibles. And there are a total of 12 to collect plus one special edition. And, right timing, I'm wearing a Chinese color polo shirt. Diba? Since we're going to unbox this set. But beforehand, I'm going to show you first the first three Zodiac collection from McDonald's. Actually, I think this is an exclusive release from McDonald's sa Asian countries. And syempre, kaya siya may special edition si Horse since Year of the Horse ngayong 2026. Okay. And just a trivia, did you know that this is the second release of Chinese Zodiac collection at McDonald's Philippines? The first one was from 2004. The Zodiac Animals naman yon. So there are a total of 12 to collect. Then anik-anik siya. Then yung magnet, yung kamay niya is may magnet, then pwede nyo siyang i-connect-connect. I'll flash the picture here na lang para ma-recall nyo. Mga millennials, for sure, naabutan to. Kasi 2004 pa. And like what I've said earlier, we could interchange the costumes. Like, now, si Grimace na yung nag-wear ng dragon, si Birdie na yung nag-wear ng monkey, and si Hamburglar na yung nag-wear ng golden horse. And just a trivia again, did you know na napaka-limited nitong special edition horse? Since per box daw, 50 or 52 pieces per box, and there are only 4 golden horse per box. So alam niyo na, same price, but limited. So alam niyo na. Kaya kung may uunahin kayo, na golden horse na. Okay? So anyway, that's for this 3. So let's proceed unboxing the other 9 Zodiac fans. Or I mean, 10. Oops, let's go! So let's start pala by showing you first the closer look of the box. Yan. So, McDonald's 12 Zodiacs. Then, here's Grimace, Birdie, and Hamburglar holding some Lucky Charms, Chinese Lucky Charms, diba? Ito, ano to paputok. Ito, I'm not pretty sure anong tawag dito. Ito coin ata. And ito is mga pampaswerte. Then, on the other side, yan, mga pictures ng other collectibles, the details, the weight, and then the like, kailan siya na-produce. And at the back, yan. By the way, this is not a blind box. You could choose which character do you want. Yan. So, ito siya. Here's the first 3. And what's written on the top is the name. Dragon, the golden horse, and the monkey. Okay. So, okay, the first one that we're going to unbox now is the tiger. Yan. So, ang ganda. Ang laki ng box. By the way, you could get this one by purchasing any meal from McDonald's. Plus, upgrade the drinks with a golden McFloat. Ang flavor niya is peach mango. And add 168 pesos to get 1 Zodiac collectibles. Yan. And ang napansin ko lang una dito, wala siyang collectible cards. Diba? Sad. Kasi ang maganda sana may collectible cards, then nakalagay doon kung what year ba si Zodiac, like si Tiger, diba? What year kayo, ganon. Since ako alam ko na si Dog ako. So, by the way, here's a closer look of Grimace. Pakita ko muna. Yan. Ang cute talaga niya. Oh, para siyang patatas sa color violet. So, here's the Tiger costume. By the way, actually, naglabas naman na rin dati, but other country, ng iba-ibang characters. I'm not familiar, sa Japan ata yun. And yung isa, si Doraemon, na 12 rin sila, but wala sa Philippines. Kaya nasabi kong 12, pangalawa pa lang siya na na-release here. So yan, color orange naman yung nasa gitna niya, na Lucky Stone something. Parang siyang bagwa na, diba? So yan. Oh, nice, ang cute! So here's Grimace. So next up, the goat. Oh, it's Hamburglar. Yan, kung mapapansin nyo, no, ang daming paper na support, which is nice kasi para sure na hindi magasgas sa box yung toys. Since kapag nagasgas, pwedeng magkaroon ng paint issues. Yan. And so far naman, ang ganda ng pag-produce dito. Like, walang lagpas, diba? Actually, OC ako sa mga ganong toys. Yung like, iba-iba yung, lagpas-lagpas, yan. Mga paint. Here's the closer look of Grimace, by the way. I mean, Hamburglar. And, ayan, meron siyang sabitan. So, pwede nyong ihang siya. So, bili na lang kayo ng tali. So, here's the goat. Okay. So cute. Okay. We're done with the goat. By the way, kung curious kayo sa kwento ng ng Zodiac, yan. You could watch, flash ko here, ito siya. Zodiac, The Race Begins. Yan. By the way, the next one is Ox, na mukhang cow. But ox po siya. Yan. So, si Birdie naman to. Yan. So, kung curious kayo, paano nabuo yung animals from the Zodiac, actually, race po siya. Then, pinapalabas yun actually sa Disney Channel dati, na pag malapit na yung Chinese New Year. Kaya, yun, ang ganda nun. Ang ganda ng cartoon na yun. And, I forgot what animal na yun, na hindi dapat siya part ng Zodiac, but parang accidentally naging part siya. Yan. Ganda nun. Promise, matutuwa kayo sa kwento ng Zodiac na yan. Again, Zodiac, The Race Begins. Okay? So, here's the ox. By the way, here's a closer look of Birdie. Yeah. Curious nga lang ako bakit sa atin, iba yung costume ni Birdie. Sa ibang country kasi mas neat siya. Anyway, here you go. Here's the ox. Color black naman yung niya. Ang cute niya. Black and white lang and gold. And pansin nyo, lahat siya, may gold yung gitna. Di ba? Pampaswerte. Malay nyo, di ba? This brings luck for us. Pag nakolect nyo lahat, di ba? So, next up, yan, my year, the dog. So, let's check. So, it's Grimace. Okay. So, i-assemble na agad natin. Napakita ko naman na yung closer look ni Grimace. Yan. This is my year. Year of the dog. Yan. Since 1994, babies. Yan. Hello sa inyo. Oh, di ba? Iba-iba nga talaga yung color niya. Ang nice. Oh. This is so worth it actually. At sobrang laki niya. Di ba? Ah. So cute. Okay. Next up. The horse. So, ito naman yung regular horse. So, let's see anong difference niya sa golden horse. Okay, so here siya ngayon. Pero ipagpalit ko lang rin siya kay Grimace para at least hindi siya nakakausi. Yan. Okay. Di ba nakakatuwa lang? Kasi parang yung mga kids nyo rin makapaglaro na salit-salitan. I mean, ng ganito. It's fun, actually. Ewan ko na nga lang kung for kids to eh. Kasi for sure, mga adult rin matutuwa dito. Oops. Yan. So, here's the side-by-side comparison. So, here's the Golden Horse, the limited edition, and the special edition, I mean. And here's the regular horse. So, in terms of the design, mas maganda lang for me yung regular horse. But, since it's para siyang secret or a limited edition, kaya it's a must-have, diba? So, yan. So, na lang mo yung Golden Horse si Ronald McDonald na lang mo. What do you think, highlighters, diba? Kasi special, diba? Diba? Great idea, no? Again kung kukuha kayo at gusto niyo i-complete lahat, better to grab first the Golden Horse. Kasi nga, limited edition siya. Yan, heart siya, ito, mata. Then may stripe naman, dito lang di halata. Anyway, that's it. So again 4 lang per box daw yung Golden Horse. Kaya better na kumuha na agad kayo. Okay? So next up, rabbit. Oh, white. So nice. So, here's the Grimace Rabbit. So cute! Oh, the bunny ears. Ang ganda na. Okay. Ngayon ko lang napansin. So, if gusto mo siyang isabit or gawing ornament, hindi nyo magiging ornament ito. Since, look, yung pinakalagayan niya is ng tali is nasa loob. Hindi siya nakalabas. Pag ginawa nyo naman ng paraan, like, pinadaan dito, possible, matanggal yung costume niya. So, you could hang the mismong character anywhere, di ba? Ko talaga yung parang siyang patatas. Dalawang banggit na. Yan, okay. Next up, here's the rooster. Color yellow, cute. At alam nyo ba, another trivia. Since 2004, minus, ilang taon lang ako nun. 2004, less, 2026. Alam nyo ba, na originally, hindi ko na kompleto yung Zodiac collection from McDonald's dati. Nakompleto ko lang siya nung ilang years ago since nagkaroon ng Toy Bazaar sa SM Harrison. Sa Harrison Plaza. So, doon, nagkaroon ng bazaar, nilabas doon yung mga old toys and luckily, meron si Zodiac animals. And remember ko din, doon ko yung first nabili yung yung animal ko. At yes, meron lang ako noon yung dog. Sige, i-flash ko ulit para makita nyo. Ito lang yung meron ko. Yan. Anyway, yung cute. Color yellow chicken. I mean si rooster. Baka hanapin ng Year of the Chicken. Yan, okay. So, medyo plain lang siya. So, kung fan ka ni Beanie, para siyang si Joanna. Oo nga, parang si Joanna kasi ganito yung kay Joanna. Anyway, next up, here's the rat. Color purple. Mukhang cute si rat ah. Yan, yung highlighters. Yan. Nakapili na ba kayo? Kung sino pinakamaganda? Kasi so far, actually, syempre, medyo bias tayo kay Doggy. Since year natin siya. But, disregarding that, later on, pili tayo kung ano pinakamaganda. And kayo kindly comment down below. Which one do you like the most? Okay. And if you're curious, ilan po si Hamburglar, ilan po si Birdie, ilan po si Grimace, later on, double check natin. But as far as I know, 444, 5 si Grimace. Yan. So here's the rat. Color purple, which is nice, di ba? Color purple. So, ang ganda ng color. So vibrant looking, di ba? Cute. And if you're asking kung nakuha natin yung complete set, yes. Nakuha po natin yung complete set. Since 12 lang naman ang Zodiac plus 1, 13. So, sana lang mag-click to sa McDonald's para next year meron ulit. Uy! Pero ibang character naman. By the way, pig pala to. Hindi ko na ata napakita. Next up is the pig. Second to the last. So, si Birdie siya. Ang cute din. Ng pig. And last but not the least, here's the snake. Yan. Okay. Ang cool. So, si Birdie ulit. So, search na lang kayo kung anong year kayo. So, and kindly comment down below. Sige, check natin. Dali, comment down below kung anong year kayo. Then, i-like nyo kung anong year kayo doon. Kunyari, may nag-comment ng dog. I-like nyo lang. So, paramihan. Kung sinong Zodiac ang pinakamaraming nanonood. Don't forget, ha? Kunyari, Lagay ko doon Year of the Snake. So, like nyo lang Year of the Snake. So, check natin kung mas marami yung mga Year of the Snake doon na subscriber. And don't forget to follow me. Highlight MNL, Highlight Manila. Si Birdie siya. And ang cute yung snake. Para siyang snake na kinain si Birdie. Kidding aside. Ang cute niya. Diba? So, kasi meron siyang like, ito, yung scales ng snake kitang-kita and color green. Diba? This is to complete the zodiac. So, pakita muna natin sila Birdie. Here's Birdie as snake, Birdie as pig, Birdie as dragon, and, wait, may isa pa eh. Meron pa ba? O yun, Birdie as ox. Yan. Okay. So, I'm going to ask you now, which one is your favorite among the 4 birdies? Is it the ox, the snake, the pig, or the dragon? For me, I'm going to choose the dragon. Yan. Wala lang, I like red. And, wala lang, parang mas cool yung design niya for me. Okay. At mapapansin nyo, iba nga talaga yung colors niya. Diba? So, yan. So, next up, si Hamburglar naman. Hamburglar as goat. Goat, sheep. Isa lang ba? Ayan. Pero, parang sheep ang alam ko nga. Pero dito nakalagay kasi is goat. Diba? So, next up, here's chicken. Then, monkey. And the rat. Yan. Medyo mahirap to Kung sino mas cute. Hala. For me ang cool nung goat, I like the color of the rat. Si chicken or rooster, sakto lang. Monkey, sakto lang din for me. So, ito siya. Hala. Sige, I'm going to choose the goat. Kakaiba lang siya kasi ang cool nung dito niya. Ba't ang cute rin ito? But anyway, dito tayo kay goat. Year of the goat. Yan. Yan. Iba-iba na naman yung color ng ano. So last but not the least, here's the regular horse, Grimace. The rabbit, Grimace. The golden horse, Grimace. The dog, Grimace. And the tiger, Grimace. Yay! So, for this time, I think medyo madali sa akin to. Sino nga ba? Year of the dog ako. Sige. But, I'm going to choose the tiger. Ang cute lang rin niya. Diba? Wala lang. Mas nakita na ko dito. Anyway, that's it. So, we unboxed the total of 13. Diba? 13. Yan. Pakita lang natin yung complete set. Yee! Cool, right? And, kung mapapansin nyo, iba-ibang color talaga siya. Which is nice, diba? So, ito, yellow, green, dark green. O, diba? So, iba-iba. Cool. So, that's it, highlighters. Here's the complete set of the Zodiac collections from McDonald's Philippines. Yan. Hinawakan ko na lang si dog since hindi na siya kasya. And actually, hindi na ako magkasya sa screen. Natakpan na ako. So, yun. Kasi sobrang laki nga niya, di ba? Usually, kita-kita na yung whole body ko pag nag-unbox ako. Pero ito kasi talagang like times 2, times 3 yung size nung laki. Yun. Okay? So, dalawa lang rin kaya natin hawakan for this one. Yan. Okay? So, by the way, may arrangement rin ng Zodiac kung sino yung number 1, number 2, number 3. Kaya don't forget to watch Zodiac The Race Begins. Hindi sa Grimace yun Iba yun. Ibang mga hayop talaga siya and cartoon siya. So, may nakalimutan na ba ako? Yes. Sa succeeding days, kapag nag-purchase kayo sa McDonald's, may tarot cards na ilalabas. And I have no clue kung ano meron pa doon. So, abangan nyo lang na ilabas siya sa stores nyo. Kasi sa first day, wala pa daw siyang delivery. Okay, so nakakuha na kayo ng trivia. Then, as promised ko last time, sabi ko, i-unbox ko yung Zootopia, diba? So, kindly wait na lang. Kasi super na late na rin talaga tayo doon. Dapat i-unbox ko in December, but super late na, natakbo na siya. So, ipakita ko pa rin yan. Don't worry. And, yan. So, see you next for the unboxing video. The next toys naman ng Happy Meals, which is the Crayon Shin-Chan. And there are a total of 8 to collect for that set. And of course, we're going to unbox some other fast food chains pa na toys. So, yan. That's all for now, highlighters. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Bye!